Honorable Finance Minister Shrimati Nirmala Ji Sitharaman, my dear friend Vineet Jain, the esteemed jury of the ET Awards for Corporate Excellence, the entire team at Economic Times, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My namaskar to all of you. I'd like to start by profusely thanking the global jury of the ET Awards for Corporate Excellence and the Economic Times for bestowing upon me this unique honor of Business Leader of the Year 2020. This prestigious award, coming from the leading business paper of our country, is indeed very gratifying and a great honor for me. My father began this journey with bicycles in the 50s, which I then continued forward with motorized two-wheelers in the early 80s. Neither of us could have then imagined that I would one day be holding this coveted award in my hands. I would like to dedicate this award firstly to my father, Dr. Brij Mohan Lal Munjal, our Chairman Emeritus. It is all the more heartwarming for me as I receive this award in the year that Hero MotoCorp surpassed the monumental milestone of 100 million units in cumulative production and sales. Our 100 million milestone is not just Hero's achievement, it is a significant landmark in the Make in India initiative. This has been possible because we at Hero have been one of the pioneers of this journey, making in India for the world for decades. My heartfelt thanks to the 100 million heroes around the globe who have reposed their trust and faith in us. Hero MotoCorp is today a leading global brand due to the relentless efforts, dedication and commitment of my team at Hero, my leadership team, and thousands of my colleagues and associates spread across 40 countries around the globe. I owe everything and every success to the efforts of my team. I also remain eternally grateful to our dealer partners, supply chain partners, investors, and the large family of shareholders who have believed in our vision and kept their unshakable faith in Hero MotoCorp. Most of all, I also wish to thank the government for their forward-looking policies and vision, which is inspiring us to create a sustainable future for all. I also remain eternally grateful to our investors and the large family of shareholders who have believed in our vision and kept their unshakable faith in Hero MotoCorp. I am immensely grateful to my immediate family for all their support and encouragement throughout this journey. Without them, none of this would have been possible. I can only say my Hero Parivar has been the pillar of my strength and a huge source of motivation. I assure you, this recognition provides me with more ammunition to ride at an even faster pace towards realizing our stated vision, be the future of mobility. Thank you.